So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn back with another video. Got a delivery, and if you buy rolls or something, a lot of things, this is what they should come in. And I got my beautiful knife. I love knives. Get the coin, you go, you want to get smart, if I can stab ya, yeah. So that is, and also you can stab yourself as well if you're just feeling that way. So people, they like sticky tape. Do the sides, and hopefully you're not ripping whatever's inside open. Oops, I just dropped something, no idea what it is. And oh, there you go. So this is a well packed item. Can't remember who I purchased it off. I've got a roll, and I think I've got C mint marks, and take the receipt out, see who it is. Oh yeah, it's Wynyards. Okay, yep. So let's have a look at the C mint mark first. So these are the ambulance rolls. I've not seen any of these coins in person, so I got one of those because I didn't get it from the supermarket. I don't know how I had to pay double price. That looks terrible. I like the colours, just it just looks evil. And so that's for another video. So I haven't got any of these from the supermarket. Basically, I haven't even bothered. 2 million is going to be common. You know, it's not really going to make you a millionaire in the long run. So 2020, that's scratched to the doghouse. So we've got a photo of an ambulance with its lights blaring, and the colours of the ambulance, I don't know, blue and white. It's usually the police service. Anyway, so yeah, I don't personally like that, but anyway, someone else does. 50,000 for the C mint mark and circulated finish, and I'm glad that they put these in the capsules. So that's something they're doing positive. I said they've done that with the proof sets 2020. So I think you can still get these at the mint, but can these pop out? They should be able to. Yeah, it's a bit hard to... Oh, there you go. Go flying. And okay, so you can see the colouring. And the whole point of this is that this is supposed to be chipped away, and it shows a clock underneath. The ones in circulation won't have the C mint mark. And this is not really a well designed coin. Looks like we've got the mint initials there. And is that, looks like, okay, that's gone away. So we've got a female and a male paramedic. So ambulance is the actual vehicle, and the paramedic is the people who run the thing. There's usually 2 people. Here's someone who, yeah, maybe they've made unconscious with their vehicle. So 2021. So if you want to take it out, I'm not too sure if it's glued or screwed. Looks like it's glued actually. So it's going to be hard to take out. You'd need to break it. So I'm not going to do that. So that's a nice coin. Let me know if you've got this C mint mark. So these cost, they cost $15 at the start. And I like the cards that you could have folded it over. They were better than these ones because they were more compact. These ones are more bulky. but I've got 2 of them. Not too sure why I purchased 2, because I'm not really going to resell these. Okay, then I've got the roll. The roll, did I put it back in? The roll's down here. So these rolls cost $100 normal. They're slowly increasing these. Initially it was 5,000, and these rolls have increased to 10,000, so double. So these are not going to get the profit as you can get them before. Okay, Australian government, so the official rolls should have these. There is the Cop and Co, but they're different. And then we have the, so it's upside down, the holographic feature, and that is, there you go, official numismatic product, 50 cent. People recommend, they believe this is for the 50 cent coin. No, that's just a logo for Australian Mint. And here we have the coin. So this one still has a lot of the paint on it. See, a lot of the rolls don't. And the C mint mark's missing. And on this side, we have 2021. So if you wanted to look for a bullseye, so the bullseye would have the colour on this side, on the queen's head, because it looks like a target on the queen. That's why it's called a bullseye. I'd have to, unroll these and check them out. These have started to be pumped into circulation. I see that Delta has got quite a few rolls from Western Australia. Now, I've been to the coin machine in Victoria, and pretty much we're getting these standard coins that are issued for circulation, so none of these so far. And in my video, I did get a few free coloured coins. Yay! And those were the ones issued by Woolworths. None that were issued via the banks. So, how much are these worth now? These have all sold out, so quite a few people got doubles or triples or even 5 to 10 rolls. So this only like $130, $140 for resale because there's 10,000 of them. Not really rare. The numismatics associations around the world, the Australian, United States, UK, say that rare is 1,500 and less. So none of these are going to be rare. This one's all over eBay, and 50,000. The resale value of this coin is not as good as when they had the 40,000 or even 30,000. The Poppy C mint marks the best. And when you look at the presentation, this just doesn't look good for a resale. But to have in your collection, why not? $15, not going to break the bank. That's like 45 minutes working for a minimum wage person. But, a lot of people saying, oh yeah, but I can't afford these. Well, then you need to skill up or try to find another way to earn a lot more money. Anyway, this is my... So let me know down below what you think of these coins. I don't think much of them. The next commemorative coin that I've seen, the one in the coin sets, is a lot better. So maybe the 2022 $2 coin, the Elder, is going to be hard to get in high grade. Anyway, thank you very much and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.